Hey guys, so I'm here playing Mega Walls with Dylan and Carter. Say hey.
Hey.
Cool, yeah, so we are playing Mega Walls and we are obsessed with that, and Dylan has played one episode. What'd you think of it?
It's pretty good. I'm
Pretty
still
good.
a noob.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I'm ready. So, okay.
I forgot I'm still a skeleton. Okay.
But you're always a noob, so
I am a noob.
Spoken like a true asshole.
Mm-hmm.
I am an
A true
asshole.
bitch.
This bitch.
Everyone knows I'm an asshole. Whatever.
I think I need like 25 to get me started.
To get you
To
started.
get me started with like the iron. Come on.
Let's get it started in here.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started.
I miss old movies.
Listen, bitch.
Ooh, chest. Ooh.
Okay, that's definitely good enough. All right.
I don't know if these chests are more annoying or
Like,
helpful
like an
for me.
obstacle.
It's like, get out of my way.
Okay,
I'm busy.
so- and ooh, people texting. Okay.
You're so popular.
Very popular.
To be honest, my phone is dead right now, so
Your phone is dead.
yeah,
All them tricks.
I'm just using my iPad.
Oh, there's a crafting table in here, isn't there? Alright. So, I'm going to make that. And then I'm going to make that. And then I'm going to make these.
So, one of the people that watch my stream is working on a Survivor Craft server, which will be interesting. He might, once he gets it all full up and ready, he might try to put the word out to get some YouTubers to play on it. I think it'd be interesting.
How do we do this? Oh, I should put the other one down there too.
Let's see.
I'm going to try what they did. I'm going to make like a big ass hole.
A big asshole.
Did you see what they were doing,
Did-
Carter?
Yeah, I did.
Do you think that's a good idea?
I did that last game, but they still got over it. Like, it's not that hard to build over it.
Can you still put blocks down when the game starts?
Yes.
I'm so quiet because I'm concentrating so hard.
Wow, it just destroyed one of my blocks. Okay, that's stupid.
It's because you
Sorry.
placed them next to each other.
Yeah.
You can't do that.
Okay, I'm literally gonna make this whole like city. If I speak, other people can see me, right?
Yes. No, just our team.
Just our team?
Mm-hmm.
So, okay.
No, I was trying to make them not target us or something. I don't know.
Well, I mean, if they're on our team, whoa, I just got a double chest.
I just don't want them to be following me.
True.
Just don't want them to be like, okay, we'll protect you. And I'm like, no, bitch, go do your own thing. Because people have done that before. Know what I'm saying?
Oh, what is happening though?
It wouldn't let me type your link.
Don't link it, yeah. It's fine.
Probably against the rules anyways.
Oh, I can't put a freaking...
Okay, bitch, no, you're not taking my crafting table. This is mine, thank you.
Wow, what's going on? We need to dig. Why is no one digging? I thought someone was digging. Okay, let's get this done.
Damn bitch. Leave me alone. I don't know why these people think they could be taking my shit. It doesn't work like that. Yo, where are you? Got some iron?
Never mind, you geared.
First time
What?
geared how?
I can't destroy this wood?
Has to be on a tree.
Yeah, I'm destroying the tree. These castles are protected.
Because you're hitting the castle then.
No, I'm hitting the tree.
Well.
What the heck? That makes 0 sense.
Oh, I didn't make a shovel. That's great. I gotta go back.
Yeah, this tree's working. The other one wasn't.
Okay. Okay.
Girl, she is stealing all kinds of crap.
That's what people do. They're
It's
freeloaders.
annoying.
There it goes here. Okay. I'm coming to help you, Will.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm coming in a bit.
Oh my god, I just got the most random craving. Like a peanut butter and honey sandwich.
Honey,
Wow.
Yeah.
you're pregnant.
Yeah, so I'm always pregnant. Oh my god, you're built. You guys are building a huge wall. This is like
is it?
freaking trench this guy's making. Why don't they just like look at our names?
It's like we're making a lot of friends. Dude, listen.
Okay, where are you guys at? I'm gonna help you.
Building a trench out front.
Or maybe I should wall in with her.
No, you can't really.
Okay, cool. Well, we need to make this like shorter.
We need to make it deeper too.
I mean, yeah, that's what I mean. If it's shorter, not deeper. Deeper, not shorter. Ah, English! Hate everything.
What type of shovel did you make?
I made an iron.
Oh. I feel like I'm going real fast.
Huh?
Going real fast.
Well, I'm digging like 2 at a time.
He's just super good at digging.
Where'd you... Oh. Come everyone.
This is a huge ditch.
What is that noise? Did you guys
What
hear
noise?
that?
No.
I heard it on you. I think I heard it coming from your mic.
Whoa.
So can't they technically just like staircase over it though?
Yeah. But they have to build it. And like...
Wait, I hear that.
You hear that?
Yeah.
I don't
What
know
is
what
that?
I don't hear anything.
Hello?
Hi. I hear that. It's like tapping.
Yeah, that was really
It's like
strange.
footsteps. It's
Huh?
like footsteps. It's like footsteps or something.
What is
Wow.
that?
Whoa.
I don't hear
That's-
that thing.
If we both hear it, it's coming from Dylan. Oh my god.
Whoa, what is that? I hear it now. What is that?
Is that me? Hold on. Yeah,
No,
that's
that was
definitely,
terrifying.
It's definitely you, Dylan.
I don't think it is.
Oh my god. Is the apocalypse happening? Is this like one of those ghost things, like, they try and send you signals and shit?
Wow.
What the hell is that?
It's
You're
probably
me.
one of my
Let me try
demon
something. Let me
friends.
try something.
Yeah, it's definitely not me. So, like, Dylan, you have to do something quick.
It's gone.
Nope.
Muted themselves.
It's back.
Huh?
It's back. Like, it's so loud for me.
I don't hear it now. Hold on. I don't think it. Do you hear it?
I don't hear it anymore.
The fuck was that?
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
I have no idea what that was.
Alright, cool. Well, anyway.
Anyways,
Alright,
technical
so let's
difficulties.
go.
It's the ghost from YouTube Pets.
It might have been the shitty computer doing something because I like touched it.
That mysterious ticking noise.
I think it was like a ghost. I've come to that
Oh my
conclusion.
god. Stop that. Why are they doing that?
Oh my god. The wall is huge. Or the ditch is huge this time.
Yeah, cool. And I'm gonna make a. Someone was able to like lay something like right here.
Should I get out of the ditch?
The ditch, I think the ditch is okay now. Oh, walls are down. I wasn't even ready.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We are not ready for this.
Ah, let me in. Why are you doing this? He's not letting me in.
Why can't I?
This wasn't
Okay.
even dug out. Like, this is bad.
All right. Well, I tried to build a wall and I could not build a wall.
Oh my god.
Whoa, I'm fucking stuck.
Well, I can't get to the wither.
Yeah, you can. Go. There's a staircase.
Just need a wither blast.
Potion of healing can't save you. You are dead. You're so dead.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh my god, there's people already in our...
There we go. Finally.
What are you doing there, Dylan?
Yeah, I don't know how he got in here.
He went under, probably.
But you can?
Yeah, there's like that center part where you can go under. Okay, we need to. I'm gonna start.
I have a
attacking this
weather
wall.
blast, so I'm going for yellow.
This person has a diamond sword, jeez. I feel like I should have made a diamond sword.
Whoa, yellow doesn't even have a wall. Wow,
Holy
yellow
shit.
is not prepared. Wow, you can literally walk in yellow. Oh wait, never mind.
I should have made a diamond. I could.
Is this yellow? No, red doesn't have a wall either. I blew it up.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm just about to go for the weather.
for the red.
For whatever, I'm not sure what one. It killed me.
Bye, girl.
Wait, what team are we? We're blue, right?
Yeah.
We are blue. Yeah. Bitch.
Sorry for that noise. I don't know if that was me or not.
Scared the crap out of me. Oh
It's-
my god, that something just fell off my desk. It's scared.
I'm telling you, it's paranormal activity. Not believe me? Paranormal activity.
Okay, cool. I got red down a lot.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you did.
I got yellow down a lot as well. Or a good amount.
Yes, like sweet. All of that was me. For
So
red.
now I'm going for green because they're across
Oh, your
from
wither's
us.
under attack.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him,
You guys got him?
No. He's just sitting there. What? Oh my god.
Oh my god, okay, I'm coming to
Where's
help.
the fucking idiot? I don't know if he's lagging. He might be lagging. Because he attacked the second person a lot.
Alright. Oh, come on. Why don't I have a wither blast yet? This game is so stressful. My shoulders hurt so much because I'm so tense.
You need a deep cube massage. See what I did there?
No. Oh my god. Their base is barely even guarded, guys.
Which
Oh,
one?
yellow?
Oh wait.
Oh, two
wait.
people, two people. And I have no one else to defend.
I have to
Oh my
use
god,
my
where
wither
is
blast.
everyone else at? This person's lagging. Oh my god, I have no one else here to defend.
Well, I might die in a second, so I'll be there.
Let me kill
Wait,
them.
are we like really doing bad?
Yeah,
I'm
like
I'm-
there is. I was literally the only one standing here.
Okay, well, if you're the only... Holy crap, there's a lot of people here. Holy freaking crap. Holy
How?
crap, they're all here.
Really?
Yeah, oh my god, and they annihilated me. No, okay. Whatever Arcanist is, like their sword is so hard.
Where is this? Where is he coming from?
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, it's like there's so many people here.
Are they
What?
coming in?
They've left. I don't know why they left.
Gimme.
No, like what is our team doing? Oh my
I don't
god,
even
this
know what
person
they're
can
doing.
literally
They're
run
just,
around
like,
and do whatever they want.
Yeah, they're just like sitting here.
This bitch is like trying to just bow me. Go away. Oh god. Someone
Oh
just
my god,
creepered
there's
me.
no way that I'm gonna be able to like without having to kill something.
I'm 1.5 hearts. I'm so dead, half a heart. Okay, I'm coming back. You guys need help right now?
No. we're good.
I'm like fucking stuck, so I have to like be creative and dig my way out.
Okay, I'm going for yellow now because they're really high.
What the fuck? That's how I get out, people. Alright, whatever, fuck it.
Oh, I just heard a bomb go off in the middle of our place.
Okay, which one are we going for, Carter?
Yellow.
Yellow? Yeah, I'm
Mm-hmm.
gonna drink a potion.
Note to self: next time I'm defending, I need to get a diamond sword.
Well, you're not gonna find diamonds.
This guy's got a diamond sword.
Yeah, because we spawn with them.
Oh my god, why are people like... is there like something that tells people that I'm a VIP?
Mm-mm. Unless they saw it in the lobby. I'm going for yellow.
No, there's something that tells them I'm VIP because everyone keeps targeting me. Ugh! Or maybe it just feels like that, I don't know.
Wasn't the yellow the least offended?
Yeah, and now it's like the... what is going on?
Who is
with that
attacking?
team?
Oh my god! How? Oh my god! This is ridiculous. This teleporting is getting fucking annoying.
Okie dokie.
It's literally like spawning behind us.
I have one.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Why won't he die? There, Jesus.
How are they getting behind us?
My wither blast is ready. Alright, time to
Is
go
there like an
annihilate.
entrance back here? No.
I have a weather blast. I'm gonna use it on yellow. Wow, I got fucking. Ugh.
Oh, wow.
Staying-
I'm gonna go
I'm
this
staying
way.
behind the wither. I want to know how these people are getting behind us.
Ooh, this
Yeah,
way.
fight me.
Oh, get him! Get him! What the fuck are you doing, dude? Oh my god, it ran right past him.
Whoa!
What?
No,
He's
someone...
like staring at
I
the
think
wither.
it's Arcanist. I think I'm gonna be Arcanist next time.
Really?
Yeah, because like there was a guy, I had full health, he killed me in 2 hits.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I died. He might just be a hacker, well. Oh my god, are we at 1 health right now?
What?
No, we're
No,
blue.
we're- Oh, okay. I'm so worried.
I'm waiting for it. People are gonna be coming in here.
Yeah, it's this guy. Holy shit, this guy is so good! Yellow
good
has
or is
one...
he hacking?
Huh?
Is he good or is he hacking?
I don't know, it's one guy on yellow, and he is like... He is crazy, crazy good.
Did you just keep coming back with nothing, or?
No, yeah, like he doesn't even have any armor on. He doesn't need it. Like I'm so freaking over this.
No, you're not. At the same time, this guy's a skeleton. bitch.
So when it's down to 1 health, it doesn't automatically go down. You have to hit it once.
That's not what I wanted to do, but okay.
There's no point fighting these guys because I have a wither blast, so I'm just gonna go for the base.
Okay, like there's no way that like yellow's gonna fucking lose. Yeah, yellow is like solid. Their wither. Okay, so I wonder how their wither is so far down. But we're blue, right?
Yeah,
'Cause
and
I
I'm
keep-
like the only one defending. Oh, there's.
Because
one
I
guy.
keep going to yellow, that's why.
How do you get in?
What's
Just
an enraged?
I've like walked in like quite a couple times.
But I've never
Actually-
gone. I've never been able to get to the wither. Their stuff
Their
is
thing,
like,
their thing is just about to die. I'm just about to kill it.
okay, well, I'm gonna go to something else because I obviously
I killed
can't do that.
So technically, all we have to do is just sit near our wither now, don't we?
No, we have to go kill everyone else's.
Oh.
Or we can go and kill the people on yellow. Oh,
It's
so
just me and another
wait.
guy that are defending right now.
Oh, okay.
I'm going against like a million people.
Okay,
okay,
you're
I
in
died.
yellow.
I died.
Are you in yellow?
I just killed. No, died.
Were you in yellow?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was in yellow. Yeah.
Someone get Green's health down.
Oh, okay. But they're gonna be coming for our wither, so maybe it's not the smartest thing for me to go out there right now.
Are they all out here? Are they all in here?
I can give you some armor if you come here.
No, I'm still full armor.
Oh, okay.
So I need to go for green, you think?
Yeah.
Oh no, our wither is way too low for me to be risking that.
Respawn. How do we do this? Respawn.
Do you want to
because
go
of
for green with me, Will?
green?
Yeah.
It just needs to get hit once.
Yeah, but if someone comes, like 60 damage can be done by one player.
Yeah. Oh, never mind. It died.
Okay, cool.
Oh. So we need to stay in guard now, I think, right? No, we
yeah.
need to go out.
Yeah, just stay
No,
in guard our wither.
you stay in guard. We're gonna go kill.
Okay.
Cool. Massacre over here. See that?
Well,
Why
you
am I
should have
lagging so
armor.
hard?
Me too. You should have armor, Will.
I know. Yeah. Now I'm good.
Oh, there we go. You get that armor?
Yeah. Good job. Who was that? Good
Yeah, no
job.
one's even going for
Me.
ours.
Fuck this guy. He's
Yeah,
going
I'm
in
not
there.
going down there.
We're just about to eliminate their whole entire team. They're all going in that corner. Oh,
Whoa, shit. You okay?
I tried to wither blast him, but I think it hit you. Oh yeah, that thing. Let's go. Potion of speed.
Yeah,
Can't
I
outrun
got-
us now.
There's
you have a bow?
There's a lot
Extra
that are up
bow?
in here before. I do not have a bow. Okay, are they done?
I'm the only one defending right now.
Oh shit. Oh, we need to go back. Well,
Oh, here comes someone. You're good.
blue team like always wins. I swear.
I have a wither blast.
I don't even have close to wither blast. Should I go out and kill people?
Yeah, like I mean, our wither is still alive. I feel like coming back here is not going to do anything.
Oh, here comes someone. Here comes someone.
Yeah, okay, we're dead. There.
Okay,
Kill that
so-
person though.
Yeah. He's dead.
Yeah, he's dead.
Do you have a bow, Dylan?
Yeah, I do.
Can I have it?
Where you at? Where you at?
Right here.
So that way someone doesn't steal it.
Okay, so we're poisoned now, so you have to go to the middle.
Yeah. Yeah, go to the middle.
There's 19 of us, 18 of us, 14 of yellow. What the hell? Where'd they go?
Don't they have to be in the middle?
Yeah, we go into the middle like
I
now.
think we should go for yellow.
Yellow? Oh,
Yeah.
Dylan.
I know.
Are you still here? Here, take
Yeah, I
the
don't
diamond
see
sword.
one.
Diamond sword.
Wait, where's it? Well, let me grab. There, I got it.
Where's yellow though?
Yellow? Probably up in the frickin' treetops.
I need food. Curate. Eat real quick.
I feel like the bow is more powerful on here.
Are people in like the mines?
They could be. No, because you get hunger down there.
Oh, there they are. There they are on the wall.
Okay, we have to go back into the center. Okay, well, as long as we all stick together, I feel like we'll be fine.
Oh, I found them.
Yeah, here's some... Oh, wow. Who is that?
They're up there. Well,
Lag much.
yeah, I lagged spiked a second ago as well.
Okay. Someone come help me chase these people.
Where are they?
Chase. Oh, they're down here? Oh,
There's some people
wow.
down here.
Okay. Let's get them.
You're kicking ass. Oh, I see. They're in our trench. There's one at least in our trench.
Oh, get them. So done.
Yeah, bye, girl.
Oh, I just accidentally used a wither blast.
That's why, like... Okay, who's left? There's 17 of us. Okay.
Yeah, but they're all hidden up here, so...
All up
See
where
what they
I have a
did?
wither blast.
Oh,
shoot
they're
him,
up.
shoot him, Will.
But I don't know where. Which one?
Wait. Can I shoot him with my arrow? Explosive arrow?
Yeah.
How far does it go?
Which
Oh,
one are they in?
Right here, right above us. You're really looking at
Looking
them.
at
Oh, I missed.
Whoa.
I'll try to get him.
I don't have enough stacks. God, I wish I had enough stacks.
To build up?
Yeah, because like if I use my wither blast, it won't hit them from here.
Yeah, this isn't smart if we all just go up one at a time. So let's try to build something.
There's not much. They're dead. They're gone. You hit them with a bow once, they're like, they're gonna fall. Oh, here comes one. Killed him. Let's see if that. Oh. There we go. Oh, here comes another one.
No, I fell. Yeah, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get that guy.
Okay, well I
They're
have a
like
wither
panic. They're like panicking right now.
Fuck, see?
Alright, I have an idea what to do. Once I get my explosive arrow, I'm just gonna explode underneath of him. He's just gonna fall.
Okay. I'm just gonna wait for them to fall. There's only 7 of them left. Oh my god, be careful guys, because we keep dying trying to get up there to them.
Because he keeps building to not hit him. You see that?
He's building underneath of him?
Yeah. So that's why we can't get up there. That guy's gonna die on our team. Yeah,
Okay,
he
do I
just
have a
died on our
potion?
team.
I have 2 potions of heals. I think I'm gonna go to their, like, the way they get up. They got up.
One of our teammates just died because he's an idiot.
I don't know where the hell they are. Oh, they're right there. Alright, here we go. Boom! Damn it, it fucking missed.
Another teammate just died because this idiot right here.
Wait, there's still 2 yellow.
Wow. Oh, I wasn't running. Shit. Oh, I'm about to die because of all this fall damage. Whoa. Whoa, this is really bad. Don't
Hey,
do
where's
this,
yellow?
guys.
Where's yellow?
Did you just die?
No, I'm so about to though because I can't run.
Okay, we gotta. Where's yellow's area? Over there.
Oh, this is awful. I thought this was a good idea. This is not a good idea. Get out, get out, get out, get out,
Yellow,
get out,
where
get out,
are
get out,
you?
get out. Okay, does someone... Do you have any food, Carter?
No, not really. Oh, yeah, I have 30 chicken. Fuck.
Oh my god, I have food! Oh, I'm an idiot.
Oh, where's
they saw
yellow?
that- they saw that
Yellow,
was
yellow,
starting.
yellow. Where are you?
Yeah, I had food on me the whole time. I'm an idiot. Regen. Oh, look, they're over there.
Where are they at?
They're in front of blue. Blue is... Whoa, shit.
They're like in the trench? Oh. They're gonna starve over there.
I went all the way up there for them not to be there.
Oh, that was stupid. Like a waste.
So
Is
they're
that person?
in.
Is that person
Yeah, go
still
help
up there?
Tumblr because he needs some help. But I keep like. Oh, there's 2 players. Oh, 2 of them are here.
Wait, where's the last red?
I'm gonna die. Holy fuck! I'm gonna die.
Where are you?
Oh, I died.
I died.
Wait, from who?
I don't know.
Go in the hole.
What hole?
In blue.
Then-
Oh my god.
How did they just kill both of us?
Wait, how are they not starving?
That doesn't make any sense. How they lived that.
Well, how they're
Just
like
yell.
they're still living this.
I had a wither blast and I shot them so long. You need to just jump in there.
Why? They're gonna starve to death.
Yeah, but still.
Like, I'm already almost dead from hunger.
As long as like someone is out here, we're gonna win. There's a lot of people out here. They just need to die. How the hell is he still alive? Was he a dreadlord? Oh, did he have like diamond armor? Like I'm down here with all the ghosts. Ugh, how are they still alive?
Yeah, what the hell? They should have definitely died now. Are they hacking? I don't even know where the last person is.
Where is...
On red.
I cannot believe this. I'm gonna be here for the entire... we're gonna figure out how this ends. Okay, so one of the yellow is dead. Oh, cool. Just one
So now
more
we just gotta
red.
find the last red.
I don't know how we both died well.
Yeah, like
How is that
I
even possible?
don't know. Well, I went in there with no regen, so whatever.
Did you go in with armor?
Where is red though?
Yeah. Oh, I heard explosives. Nope. Seriously,
But
what
he's,
the
like,
hell is this
hiding.
person?
Where is red?
Oh, I found him. Oh wait, no, that's a ghost.
Where is he? Can you spec someone? Like spec to be a Carter?
I tried.
Shoot, I gotta conserve. I'm out of food. Can I eat wheat?
No.
Shoot.
Where
He must
is
be hiding
red?
in a base.
Huh?
He has to be hiding in a base.
But then he'd starve to death.
Yeah, maybe he has like tons of food and he's just like trying to wait it out for no apparent reason.
Why? What's this blue person doing?
Maybe he went like down in the middle.
Oh, I see him.
Where is he?
Or is this a blue person? He's just like digging down in red and he's eating a lot. Oh! Whoa! It's the oh my god Courtney.
I don't know who that is.
What was that?
I don't know. What was what?
I'm down,
She's-
it's down, there's like a
she
huge
died.
basement battle. Oh, she died.
Yeah.
Well, we won.
Yay, blue! Blue! Woo! Cool, yay, so cool, we finally won, even though all of us died. Thank you guys, well, Dylan, you didn't die,
No,
did you?
Dylan's alive.
Alright, cool. Thank you guys so
Yeah.
much for watching, we will talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye.